So this is a new mic we're using. This is a digital one. And this is the antennas we're using. As I showed over here, these are the antennas.
ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದಂತ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲೇ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಹುಟ್ಟುತ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಎಂತ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಮಾತು ನೋಡಿ ಅದು.
Hey guys, hello, hi and namaste. Welcome back to another vlog. This is Vincent Hitesh. Sorry for the delay guys, for making you wait for these many months without making any vlogs. So from now you'll be getting a continuous vlogs. Whenever I go for a show, I'll just make a vlog and I'll be posting all the vlogs. And this vlog I think I'll be not making a much of vlog because after so many months I'm doing, I need to get used to it again. So I'm using this one also, what we call that as a sparkle machines also. Yeah, look, I forgot all the names also. Using 4 sparking machines, and a front we're using a JBLs for the top VRX, and 2 subs are there for the front. Totally 6 subs we're using for 208 series. Yeah. And once the alignment is done, I'll just go near the stage and show you what all the boards, everything we're using. And I'll just show up the mics. So these are the mics we're using, SLD2. And this is the on one, put a button over here. Actually phone is not recording all this. So this is a new mic we're using. This is a digital one. And this is the antennas we're using as a shot over here. These are the antennas. These are the antennas reflectors. You can see how many we have. So each one have two antennas, A and B. These are two are A and these two are B over here. So these are the antennas we will be running up. I'll just turn on the lights. Actually too much of sun. Basically shows ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ಸುಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. What's the temperature? It's 30 degrees. Man, ಈ ಬಿಸಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಶೋ ಮಾಡೋದು? Like hell man. Who will work at this heat? It's 30 degrees. Battery off ago.
ಸೊ ವಿ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಇನ್ನೂ ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಬರೋದಿದೆ. ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು 6:30 7 ಗಂಟೆ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ. ಐ ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.
ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮನಸ್ಸುಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೇರಣೆ ನೀಡಿದ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಶಾಲೆಯ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಾಪಕ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾದಂತಹ ಶ್ರೀ ಮುರಳಿ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Thank you so much, sir, for briefly introducing all the dignitaries and throwing back the memories of Bloom's beginning. It is now our privilege to invite our esteemed guest, Dr. H. Sivanna sir, former Vice Chancellor GKVK, to share his time. Rohan Ritik from grade 4. Best all-rounder Sinchana Yam from grade 4. Remarkable improvement Sultan Khan from grade